Good day, everyone, and welcome to session recap. This is live trading webinar, and let's see why my slide is not showing. Just give me a few seconds, and it should definitely show live trading webinar. And we still have some trades. Okay, I need to find it. The market is already moving, and it's very, very hectic. So yeah, this should be it. I think so. Yeah. Okay. So now we are ready to begin. So once more, welcome to our Wednesday live trading session. And the market is already moving, so we might have some trades very soon. I hope that you got into the move of euro dollar. Euro dollar was excellent. I gave you the analysis before market moved, and if you followed the analysis, you could have made some nice pips. I already made pips on euro dollar analysis, and I hope that you made too. So we still might have some trades, but definitely euro dollar was definitely the best trade for today, rejecting for some 70, 80 pips from my POC zone. I will show you the trade, what happened, but also I prepared some new trades and we might get into some market orders too. Okay, before I begin, standard risk disclaimer explaining that market is very volatile and forex trading is a bit risky. So if you want to trade forex market, please read a full risk disclosure and proceed further with me. Also, CFD and forex trading are leveraged products and can result in losses that exceed your deposits. And this presentation and video is for information educational purposes. And have in mind that this video is not part of the .co.uk website, but a globally used .com website. Okay? And rules and setups, we will use POC zones, master candle setups, bull waves, and price action. Everything you see here is my personal opinion and trades. We use market or pending orders. We don't scalp. We do positional or breakout trading. If you don't see setup, we don't trade it. And once you're in a trade, you need to do your own trade management. Every account is different. Every person and trader has a different risk appetite. So, well, whatever you decide to do on your account, you're responsible. Uh, this is what I trade. These are my accounts, so I can do whatever I want. You do your whatever you want, right? Recommended risk is 0.5 to 1% per trade. Don't exceed 2% per trade. You want to trade like professionals do. So maximum of allowed risk per day is 5%. Losing is part of the business. Keep your risk under control. Session recaps are from Monday to Wednesday. Pending orders are valid from Wednesday to Friday. And don't forget that Friday is day to take profits. Always use profit stops because market is very volatile. You saw what happened today. And now I will show you euro dollar setup. And I thought to give you another trade to actually sell euro dollar again, but it was faster than me, definitely. And the price already rejected. Already rejected. I hope that you got into trade. That is why it's very important for you to follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter you will always see real-time update of the analysis. And this is it. This is my analysis, and I said that it could reject the price on subsequent retest. What happened? Price went one or two pips below 87 and start dropping like a stone, making 100 pips. So I hope that you listen to me, because if you did, well, you would be, or if you had listened to me, you would have been in very good profit. And Mohammed is saying that he made 85 pips. That is excellent. Uh, really, really, I like when you traders make money with my analysis. And soon I will publish, I think it will happen maybe in few weeks. my FX book statement on investor account, you will see how I traded. My drawdown now is only 2%, and I already made 2% on a big account, and you will see that. Well, you need to keep it low risk. And I know, guys, when you have a lot of money to trade, let's say if you trade with 100,000 euros, well, it's easier than to trade with 1,000 because you can allow for a bigger profit using lower risk. And when you trade with lower accounts, you always need to risk higher to make something out of it, right? Yeah, that is how we do it, and that is why we probably will I not probably, but that is why I decided also to show you in a few weeks my FX book statement, and you will see results from trading bigger account. Okay, a lot of comments here. Mohammed is saying that he made 85. Excellent, Mohammed. Egils is saying that Friday will have monthly and half-year profits. Indeed, Mike made 67 pips. Everyone was happy. Excellent, excellent. Well, Egils missed the trade for a few pips. Oh, well, you can always scale in. That is why I say try to enter maybe sometimes slightly lower than the POCs, maybe 1 or 2 pips. Guys, I don't have a crystal ball, but you can see how trades really respect the zone. And if the price is shy 1 or 2 pips from the zone, it doesn't matter, enter the trade. Then you can always scale in if the price gets into the zone. Guled from Toronto is saying that pound yen trade of the week for him, along with euro dollar, 200 and more pips combined. Wow. Excellent, excellent, excellent. I like this. I really like it. And guys, always have in mind, if you have friends, if you have family, bring them here to our live trading webinar. Bring them to trade with us with Armel Markets, fully regulated broker, excellent trading conditions, and really, I like it now. It's even getting better. Soon you will see some surprises on live accounts. It will be announced soon. So let's see. This is what I wrote before, but incredibly, guys, I mean, the market it was like it was looking at my setup, and I was in a trade, and when I opened my chart, I couldn't believe what I saw. A minute ago, the price was 1370, 1375, 77. I was already in a trade. I had my sell order, and I was, wow, what the hell? Why now his price is retreating? I want pips. I don't want to lose this trade. I knew it should reject. A minute after that, Draghi talked euro down, and I couldn't believe what I saw before my eyes. The price dropped 100 pips in a second, and I managed to make almost 100 pips. Well, I didn't make 100, but I made 80 pips, and I was still, wow, Draghi, thank you. It happened few days ago when I said go long euro dollar. You remember my analysis, right? Now it happened again. Draghi, thank you. Thank you and thank you. What can I say? I am very surprised with euro dollar, and this is the euro dollar what I like to see. This is the euro dollar that I traded on Forex Factory where I made my nickname Tarantula 8 years ago, 9 years ago. Well, yeah, 2010. It was 7 years ago, actually, where I made my nickname Tarantula on Forex Factory because I was one who gave perfect trades in euro dollar trade in 2010, 2011, and this is euro dollar what I remember from. Why am I saying this? Because a couple of days ago on my session recap, I said euro dollar is very boring, and it is. It was very boring until today. Today, This is euro dollar, what I like to trade back on Forex Factory, what I like to trade back when I was really trading almost solely euro dollar. Now today, of course, thanks to great technology, thanks to expansion of internet and this beautiful, beautiful IT sector, we have actually we have the opportunity to trade pound yen, every other pair that had 10, 12, 15 pip spread back in days when I was started to trade. And now today we have the opportunity to trade it with couple of pips only of a spread. That is what I like. That is what I prefer. And this is what I am. Fully dedicated to Forex market, to trading, to financial markets. And I will soon, probably very soon, start to analyze cryptocurrencies because they will be quoted versus dollar, right? Cryptocurrencies probably very soon. You will be updated when I start to do that. And well, what can I say? This is who I am, 101%. Okay, this is trading opportunity. I will go for a buy trade on euro dollar. Probably I need to see what market is doing. Market now is rejecting a little bit, and I still can see that both euro dollar and pound dollar are rejecting. I think euro dollar could go up again because you see now, guys, what's happening with euro dollar. This is where the price was sold. You see, perfect rejection from weekly AH5 and daily L3 to the upside. But this is telling me that if the price gets to this region, it could break to the upside. Because yes, Draghi helped us to make money today. Indeed. But also, what happened is market definitely is bullish now on euro dollar. Because guys, you see, if you watch this candle here, this is order block, and order block perfectly fits into daily L3, weekly H5 rejection. You know, this is bullish now. So what I would say is the price now is in no man's land. Okay. So if it drops around 1280 here, I think I will buy this again because I was only selling it. I didn't make any buy trade opportunity because when I saw it dropping, well, I was very fast to secure my profits. It surprised me too because I didn't expect that it will drop like a stone, like in a minute, right? So what I can say about this is I would go for a buy here, but for a sell, I would wait if the price breaks this. Okay, this was also master candle. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. This was master candle setup. But if it breaks master candle range to the upside, I will sell it here. 1.1430. Let me give you the trade. This is where I will sell euro if it happens again. Okay, so let me just open the slide. And now I will give you a sell trade. But have in mind, guys, that this should happen until Friday. Or let's say it should happen on Friday. And you don't carry over the trade. You don't carry the trade over the weekend. If you trade this, have in mind that you should close it, well, preferably on late Friday. This is what I will do. I will make a trade, okay, and this is it. 1.1430 sell, 1.1470 stop, 1.1340 is TP. Buy trade is 1280, stop is 1245, okay? And TP is 1.1370. Yeah, so this is very, very important. Now, this is what I look also on pound dollar. I want to buy this, guys. I want to buy this market. 1.28 is buy. Stop loss is 27.45. TP is 29.00. Okay. Now you might ask, why would I do that? Okay. Why would I do that? Now let me show you. Pound dollar. You see? This is bullish rejection. Again, I missed this one, but I hope that I could do it soon. I want to buy from this region. This is important zone. Bullish order block. Bullish rejection. Bullish. This is very bullish, guys. Okay? This is very bullish, guys. Watch this. Steep trend line. I don't like steep trend lines. But if you add two steep trend lines, guys, you will actually see a channel here. Some sort of very, very bullish channel. Now, you have also an order block here. Do you see an order block? Okay, I will show you. This is order block. Okay, so this one is order block. Okay, a lot of buying here happened, and a lot of buying can happen again. Also, guys, have in mind, if you go with Fibonacci retracement, if you pull this retracement from a previous, let's say this was a swing low to swing high here, you will see that this is actually 38.2. Okay, and this is master candle low. So a lot of price action here. Now the price is going up. You see what I was telling you. Maybe some traders also got into a long on euro dollar, but now we are actually late, guys. David is asking what happened. What happened, David, is that we had 80 to 100 pips on euro dollar just before we started the webinar and after I published the analysis, because euro dollar dropped like a stone from the POC today. If you read my analysis, well, you could have made nice money. At this point, we are waiting for a retrace. I want to buy euro dollar on 12.80, 85, and I want to buy the pound dollar around around 28.05, 28.00. So that is what we actually want to see now. VD is asking, pound dollar buy is the same as Monday's breakout trade. Yes, but it already happened, right? Above 28, 25, you could have made it, and you should have made it, indeed. But well, now for this trade, this is my POC zone. Now for this trade, if this market pound dollar drops here, I would buy it. Okay. Samuel is asking, do you know what happened that made it drop like that? I think that a member of Fed said that the market misinterpreted Mr. Draghi about yesterday's statement, and it was actually, it dropped like a stone. Wait, I think I can see it here. Yeah, you see, this is, I always watch Forex Live. Forex Live is one of the best websites for me for live Forex updates. Here, euro dollar moves lower after ECB says market misjudged Draghi. Okay. Draghi intended to strike a more balance in his intro speech. Okay, let's see. This is their analysis. But, well, yeah, I think, let's see. Okay, yeah, probably that was it. Here. You see, the speech was intended to strike a balance between recognizing the currency block. Oh, well, guys, you know how they say, Sell the rumor, buy the fact, right? Or vice versa. It doesn't matter. We made money. That is what we actually do here. We are not interested to know what they think. I mean, we are there to trade it both ways. So we want to trade it both ups and downs. That is why my nickname is Tarantula. When Eurodollar was dropping like a stone, well, I traded it both ways in 2010, 11, right? So yes, Forex Live is the website. Uh, Akbar is asking, I'm on a buy Eurodollar trade from 1300. I think it's okay. It's okay. Try to protect your profit soon. But yes, you're already 40 pips in a trade. Well, Akbar, definitely you listen to my other setup on euro dollar today. So you probably traded it both ways. Good. No problem with that. But I was happy with my 80 pips. So actually what happened is I was a bit late to buy euro dollar. I only could have sold it. So this is it, guys. Okay. Now let's see what we also have here. Uh, what we have here. I'm scanning now through other pairs. I would like to see. I might go for a buy trade on dollar yen soon. Uh, yeah, I might go for a buy trade on dollar yen, and I think I might do it. Let's see dollar yen. Ahmed, there is sound. Ahmed is saying no voice. Sound should be okay. I think. Let me just check something. I think I might go for a long dollar yen. Dollar yen. Where is my dollar yen? It's already a bit stretched to the upside, but let me check something. This was master candle breakout. The price is rejecting daily L3. So these are buyers. This is order block here. I'm going long. I'm going long now. Okay. So I will place a long trade here. Okay. Definitely a long trade here. Okay. And stop loss 111.50. 111.50 will be stop loss. Okay. Okay. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Sometimes the platform it slows up because I have a lot of charts, really a lot of charts here, and multiple monitor setup. So let me just give me a few seconds. You will see it all here. So 11.50 is my stop, and profit is 12. 1.1270 will be final because it's already stretched a little bit. So yeah, I'm going long. So let's see. I already made money on my euro dollar, so I can risk my profits. Really, I really don't. I don't have problem with that because I'm not risking my account. I'm risking only what I earned today. So that is one of the tactics I use. Okay. Yes, I'm long, and this is it. Okay. My entry is 1.1205. Okay. 112.05 is my entry. 111.50 is my stop loss. Okay. It's slightly below ATR low projection. My final target is slightly above ATR projection. So let's see what will happen. I'm long on dollar yen, indeed, and I will update the slide. Okay, so here I will duplicate a slide. Now I will just make what I will write what I did. Market order executed. Okay, where? So I went in a buy 111.05, stop loss 11, 50 TP 112.70. Everything is clear, guys. You see? So this is market order, guys. Okay. So you should be able to see this. Let's see. Yes, I'm long, and my risk, I only risk what I earned today on my euro dollar trade. So yeah. Okay, next question. Thoughts on pound yen? Yes, I will see this. I will see what happened with dollar yen, with pound yen, no problem. TP for dollar yen, Stalin is asking, it's 112.70. Okay, so that is what I did. The question, hi Nenad, what is your color CCI setting? Color CCI setting, it's default. I think, but let me check. I think it should be default. But I will tell you just, yeah, I always have CCI on 20. I don't know if it's on default, but 20 is my CCI, color CCI setting. It's 20 indeed. Yeah. So let's see. So dollar yen buy market order executed at 112.05. Let's see what will happen with this trade. Sometimes the price is a little bit slow, but well, what is important is that we have live trading each Wednesday, and we always make some nice trades live, or we do it on pending order or market order. Everything is very nice. Everything is very good. Let's see. Okay, maybe now I will take a look at pound yen. Okay, so let's see. Pound dollar. I want also to trade pound dollar if it drops, but it doesn't drop. You see, it's not dropping, it's going up. Well, a lot of speeches in a couple of minutes, any impact? I don't know. I really don't know what will happen in any minute. I don't think it might have, of course, some impact, because those speeches are always important. But let's see. I will check the calendar right away. Let me check the calendar here. Okay. Okay. Yes, of course. Bank of England, Draghi, Governor Kuroda from Japan, Bank of Japan, BOJ, Central Bank of Japan. Yeah, it will have impact definitely on currencies. But again, well, we will see. I made my order. I'm 5 pips in profit, but I will not close it. I don't know. Maybe this will be a loss, but guys, when you trade, you really need to be ready to handle this. You know, everything can happen, right? But if you are hesitant to take a trade, then sometimes you might miss it Okay, and then you'll be sorry to miss the trade. So yeah, let's see. Maybe this will have some impact. I think speeches will come out, or they're due in 15 minutes. Okay, so yeah, 15:30 my time. So it's in 15 minutes. Let's see. I will be fast to protect my trade. I am now 7 pips in profit, but I will leave this. I don't want to take only 7 pips on this because market is bullish. Now, maybe my trade, if something bullish happens on yen, dollar yen will go down. But if not, then I will come in another good profit. But let's see. Let's see. So now I'm 8 pips in profit. So, well, guys, again, I'm trading this on my account. So don't follow me if you're scared, or if you're scared, now you can you can scale out, because now if you took the trade when I took it, you would be now in, uh, I don't know, like, yeah, 8 pips, 9 pips of profit. I made money on euro dollar today. So I'm risking what I made today, right? So it's like if I lose the trade, I would be on break even or close to break even. So it's not like, you need to be ready for a psychology game. Also, what I think is that uh, gold will reject also. So for all of you who trade gold, try, if the price gets a little bit higher, I think it could reject from this spot, from this zone here. Okay, so this could be a rejection on gold also. Now the pound yen, because you asked me about pound yen. Let's see. Okay, pound yen here. It's going up definitely. So my thoughts on pound yen, it's bullish. If it breaks this level here, it will go up. You see, this is master candle. Now it's in the range again, no man's land. Uh, do I see divergence? Well, not at this moment. Not at this moment. But if it goes higher, then we will have divergence indeed. So maybe this could be a sell trade here around this daily H3, and it's still, you see, it's capped below WH5, weekly H5. So it could actually reject, but I would wait. I would wait for a breakthrough, then possibly rejection to retest this line. Dan is asking about dollar index. No, I don't have a dollar index on ECN account. Okay, yeah, next time I would go with a different account, standard account, because no dollar index on the ECN account. I cannot, I don't have it right now at this point. Okay, let's see my dollar yen trade. It's still like 8 pips of profit. Yeah, market is obviously waiting for all these speeches. I don't know, really, this is a bit risky, but yet again, I made a trade because I already made money on euro dollar. So I'm taking a risk, what I can afford, what I already earned. Okay, so yeah, let's see, let's wait. Next question. What is your opinion on Brent? Will it continue to go up? Again, ECN account only has currencies and only metals in terms of pairs, like gold. But you see, if you are gold trader, XAU USD, XAU Australian dollar, XAG USD is silver. So you only have those kinds of metals here. Unfortunately, at this point, I don't have access to I really have I always prepare when I have live training set up, multiple monitors, a lot of charts here. So I don't have other access to other account at this point that actually has a WTI and Brent. CAD yen, Ahmed is saying CAD yen. Nikolai is saying thank you, no problem, of course. CAD yen. Let's see, CAD yen. CAD yen. Okay, this is CAD yen. Again, this is very bullish market because we see a lot of rejections from this spot here, 3 consecutive bullish days, and I guess that this high will be tested. If it breaks this high, it should get to ATR projection 85.92. This is bullish market, CAD yen. Buying on dips, but you need to wait now for uh, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda's speech. Okay, see now we are only now 2 pips, no 5 pips in profits, but let's wait. Let's wait. Stop loss is in place. Buy order there also. Let's see what will happen. In 10 minutes, it will be announced. So yeah. David is asking about dollar Norwegian crown. Bearish market, definitely bearish market. Trend line, multiple trend lines, another trend line here. So you see, this is definitely selling spot. So this market is bearish. And I think this is 88.6, my favorite number here. Yes, you see, I didn't I didn't know, but that is why I was telling you that in my opinion, 88.6 is excellent, excellent Fibonacci level. For me, this is the most important number. So David, I don't know if you traded this, but this is a perfect example how 88.6 is the best Fibonacci ratio. I mean, for some people it is not. For me, it is the strongest one, definitely. To the pip, watch this confluence. This was the POC zone. WH3, daily H4, 88.6, double trend line, historical sellers. This is what we traders, yes, this is what we traders call it. We call this a no-brainer trade. When you see this, a lot of confluence, this is a no-brainer trade. Now, if you are eager to enter short, maybe on a retest of this level, you could try. But if the price slowly grinds, if it fast, if it goes to this POC zone in a form of a price of a spike or a sudden spike, then be careful because it can break and it will collect all stops above this region, making a stop grabber. So then your next short should happen here. So 2 points to short from, either here or there. It depends what the market will do. You need to monitor this market. Let's get back to our dollar yen live trade. Our live trade now is 8 pips in profit. So still waiting for the market reaction. Yes, let's wait 5 more minutes and then we will see what will happen. Now the price is going up. We already are in a trade. As I said, I would go with a pound dollar long, but unfortunately, pound dollar, well, it already went up. Okay, already went up here before we actually could react. And euro dollar, well, POC rejection after my analysis. So again, I provided you with nice pips today, really. So I hope that you enjoyed. You see the change of the color of our elite currency box indicator. and you know what this is. This means that market is neutral. Now this is bearish market. So when color changes to this yellowish color, that means that market is bearish for this day. When color changes to blue, it means that the color is bullish, and the gray is neutral. Yeah, it tells me current market price. It's actually a nice, useful indicator that signals for a possible change in market. Of course, I think all people who asked me, I sent it to all people who asked me. So if you don't have it, you can ask me. This is a part of my live trading template here. Okay. So yeah, that was it. Let's see. 4 more minutes until market does something. In my opinion, those pitches should definitely have some impact on market movement. But yet again, as I'm saying, you should be fast to protect your profits if you are in the profit once market starts to move. Okay, that is very important because you don't want your profits wasted in a second. Okay, if market indeed starts to move fast, you want to protect your profits. That is important. Okay. Uh, let's see if I have other questions. Nicola, what is your email address? My email address is tarantulafx@gmail.com. So easy to remember, easy to spot. tarantulafx@gmail.com. I can write it down if you don't have it already. So, okay, this is my email. For this Camarilla indicator, it hasn't been distributed yet freely, but we expect this to happen soon. So yeah, it will be announced soon, probably on elitecurrency.com. Okay, and have in mind that I have 5 different accounts with Admiral Markets. So if you want to trade, come here, join us and trade with fully regulated broker. Yeah, definitely. Another question, just a query. Do you have an educational webinar that tells us about how to put stop, sell limit, or buy stop? Marianne, I don't remember, but I can make another educational webinar that can be actually a part of price action trading school that we used to trade live here. So yeah, but probably we can do it. Yeah, so in the future updates. Uh, David is asking, every time I open a new chart, I have to download the template. I'm not sure, David, what the problem is. What do you mean you need to download a template? Yeah, because by default, you need to, yeah, I got you. Yes, of course, but you can actually, because when you open a new chart, right, it gets on like this, a new chart, let's say Australian dollar CAD, it will show default, but then you just go to template and change it. Yeah, it's I mean it's 2 seconds of your time, so it's not that much, right? Gulad is saying, highly recommend everyone to take the price action training school. Learn quite a lot. Great job, Nenad and Chris. Thanks. Thank you, Gulad. Yes, price action training school is actually a part of Admiral Market series of webinars. That is where I uploaded those webinars. Okay, and price action training school can be seen on YouTube, and definitely I recommend you to go there. David is asking how to import the EX4. David, if you want to you don't import it. You need to go to, I will show you. You need to copy your EX4. EX4 is compiled MQ4. Every person who creates indicators, if they want to provide you a free source code, they will give you MQ4. If the indicator is not for free, so it cannot be modified, they will provide you with EX4. It's compiled. You cannot decompile the indicator because it will be a counterfeit. You will actually harm the copyright. So in order to modify the indicator, you need to have MQ4. So it's the same. Just copy MQ4 or EX4, go to File, open Data Folder, and then go to MQL, Indicators, and put it there. Okay, paste. Then restart your platform. That is it. Ahmed is saying, can you please suggest economic news website? I always watch Forex Live. ForexLive.com is actually what I use. Okay, guys. So this is it. Final update for this session. Nothing has moved except for our dollar yen trade. I will still keep this dollar yen. If I see that the price is going up, I will protect my profits. At this point, I'm 10 pips up. Okay. 10 pips up. Now I'm 11 pips up, so the price is listening to me. I will see what the market will do, but definitely this is a great day to trade, and I hope that you enjoyed. At least I gave you market order after I gave you pending order from my analysis. Last question is Australian dollar and pound Aussie. Okay, I will be fast with this. Okay, Australian dollar is actually in no man's land. It has actually a bullish pattern. This is bullish head and shoulders, but now it's ranging. But definitely it's bullish, although you see the ATR is 46. So this is the top of ATR price. I think Australian dollar should be bought on dips. GBP Aussie, okay, GBP Aussie. I wouldn't say that this is something meaningful because both GBP and Aussie are having an uptrend. So this is a bit of ranging price. I prefer Australian dollar. GBP Aussie now is like non-tradable at this point. Question, comment. Nenad, could you make trader blog about how to trade breakout retracement from previous day high and low? Yes, I really need to write it down, so I will use it. Kyle, thank you. I've been using another Camarilla indicator, but requires GMT shift. Is this necessary? Thanks. I've been using it for quite a long time. No problem, Kyle. For this indicator, it's not necessary to do a GMT shift. Carmen from US, always enjoy learning from you. Mike, thanks, Nenad. Excellent job. Thank you, Mike. Okay, guys, I think that we made a great business today. 3 pips is always 3 pips. Let's see what market will do. As you can see, dollar yen is in profit now. I wish you a great trading day. Expect new analysis and talk to you soon, guys. Cheers, everyone. Trade safe.